Yeah, as you can see, this is the BBC Broadcasting House here in Oxford Circus. I'm right here. My name is Chigozie. People don't believe me when I tell them. Some of our brothers, they argue when I say it to them. This is BBC. You can see here the landmarks here. All the countries in the world, they are written on the. They have an inscription on the soil here, on the BBC ground here. These are names of countries in the world. These are names of countries. Just that they have some kind of an event here, so that's why I see all these balloons and everything. Once more, let me show you. This is BBC Broadcasting House, where you watch BBC on the TV, on the mainstream media. This is the BBC you know about, that have been existing for decades. BBC Broadcasting here in Oxford Circus, London. Now, what really gave me the greatest shock of my life is when I saw, among all the countries written here, I can see Abefran, Coris, Volga, Bola, and bringing it down. This is what gave me the greatest shock of my life when I saw this. Biafra. Everybody should see it. This is Biafra on the soil of BBC. Boldly inscripted Biafra. Biafra. Who on earth would believe this? That there's a monument here representing the state of Biafra. Can you imagine? This is not a makeup video. You can see. Let me film it from here live. See, that's BBC. That's BBC inscription. That's the BBC. Right up there. Right up there. Go. That's it. That's it. BBC. Let me reduce the zooming. Can you see for yourself? This is a very busy place. Can you see that? Now bring it back. You see? Watch live. And I zoom it again. You see the Biafra. So those who say Biafra is not a nation, it's not a country, Biafra is recognized. It has its own monument. They say boldly inscripted as Biafra, as a country that exists. Those who are doubting, all the Thomas. Let me reduce the zooming. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the other countries around it. Look at the other monuments. Look at the other inscriptions. Can you see that? See? Among them you have Biafra. Let me zoom it again one more time. This is it. Biafra, boldly written, Biafra. So nobody should ever say that Biafra is not a nation, it's not a country. History has a lot to teach us. So history always repeats itself. When we go back to history, then we know where we are going to. Those who don't know where they are coming from will never know where they are heading to. So this is Biafra here. So it is an established nation. It is an established country. It is an established people. Please, now I so much believe in Biafra, that it's a nation. So all the political gambles and the political games and correctness that have been going on regarding this innocent nation called Biafra, now I understand what is going on. Let me shift it a little one more time. Look at other countries near the monument or the inscription. Can you see that? Buhola. Can you see that? Bam. Bamiyan, and one more time coming back to where Biafra is written. So my people of Biafra, rejoice, our redemption draw nigh. Thank you very much. Here come Biafra. Bye. Thank you.